In the tapestry of existence, we are each a unique thread woven into the grand design of humanity. Yet, with this intricate weave, we yearn to stand out, to paint our own strokes of color upon the canvas of life. Customization isn't just about making something unique, it's about expressing who we are. From the clothes we wear to the gadgets we use, customization allows us to showcase our individuality, our personality, and our creativity. But why does this matter, especially when it comes to something like customizing the way a vehicle looks? Well, think about it. A vehicle isn't just a means of transportation, it's an extension of ourselves. When it comes to customizing its appearance, whether it's through a sleek paint job, personalized decals, or unique accessories, we're not just making it look good, we're making it uniquely ours. This desire for customization speaks to our innate need for self-expression and identity. It's a way for us to stand out in a world that can sometimes feel overwhelmingly uniform. So the next time you see someone cruising down the street in their 6'4", or in a one-of-a-kind car, remember that it's not just about the vehicle, it's about the person behind the wheel, proudly showcasing who they are to the world. Some of these customizations are so easy they can even be done in the parking lot after sound check before playing a show at the Belly Up Tavern with Shaney Rhodes. Bet you were all looking at the drummer, huh? Back to the project. I'm honored and excited to have received sleek new taillights for my 4Runner from USR Auto. I particularly like these ones and picked them out because they're somewhat OEM looking, but with their own flair. In a time when most 4Runner taillight swaps are for ones that look like they came off a spaceship, these ones are more subtle and graceful. They blend in, but are uniquely different. They enhance the vehicle instead of take over. After you receive your cool new USR Auto taillights, unplug the OEM harness from the stock taillights, and while I assume you've lost your 10mm wrench and socket already, if you haven't, remove the two 10mm nuts from the taillight studs. You can see one of these nuts in the footage, but the other one is out of sight and difficult to film because it's kind of up in this cubby a little bit, so you'll have to trust me that it's there. Then simply pull the taillight to remove it. The kit came with new bulbs, but mine are still fine, so I kept the new ones as backups. Now swap the two taillight sockets from the old light to the new one. It was a little tough to twist the bottom one into place, so I grabbed my needle nose and that did the trick. It's super important to make sure the little arrows would point at each other to ensure correct engagement with the electrical contacts. You'll see the little arrows I'm talking about when you just look at the socket and the light. The first time around, I actually spun it too far and had to pull the taillight back off to turn the lower light socket back a little bit. So I know from personal experience, it's important to line it up. Since the wire colors are different on the new lights, if you plug it all back in and it's not working, just unplug the harness from the taillight, rotate the plug 180, and plug it back in. After you like and subscribe, slide the new taillight into place, plug in and install the main harness plug, and if you manage not to lose your 10mm, then thread on these nuts back onto the taillight and enjoy your new look. It's amazing how affordable and easy some modifications are. By far, the best way you can support what I do on this channel is to use my affiliate links in the description, and massive thanks to anyone who does. As always, please let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram if you have any questions at all. Thank you all so much for watching. See you on the next one.